Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be sharing with you how you can get hundreds of animation templates to level up your content creation. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. So for that, open your browser and head over to jitter.video. Once you are here, just create your account. It's pretty easy, and once you have logged in, click on the templates. Now as you can see, here are a lot of cool looking animations that you can customize according to your need. Now just click on any of the templates you like. You can just double click to edit anything you want. If you want to replace the logo, then double click on the logo you want to change and again click on replace media. Once you are done with your customization, just click on the copy this file to your account button at the top. After that, click on export and you can only download on SD quality with the free plan. If you want to download in full SD without a watermark, then you can try premium plans. Once the export is completed, click on download video to save it on your computer system. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.